Hi students, today I am doing the problems exercise 3.1. First problem is find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measures. First problem is given that 25 degrees. Here we have to write the radian measure of this degree measure. It's given that 25 degrees. We know that pi radians equal to 180 degrees. It implies 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. So that we have to take 25 degrees equal to 25 into pi by 180 radians. 5 5s, 5 3s. So equal to 5 pi by 36 radians. Now, second problem is given that minus 47 degrees 30 minutes. Minus 47 degrees 30 minutes. Now, we know that 30 minutes means 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degrees. Now 30 minutes equal to, we should convert everything in degrees. So here we have to write 30 minutes equal to 30 into 1 by 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2 degree. So that in the place of 30 minutes we have to write 1 by 2 degrees. Therefore now it's equal to minus 47 degrees plus minus 1 by 2 degrees. So we can write it as minus 47 1 by 2 degree. So that it's equal to 47 into 2, 94 plus 1. So minus 95 by 2 degrees. So here we have 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. So that we should write it as minus 95 by 2 degrees. So when you have 1 degree equal to pi by 180, now we have to write 95 by 2 degrees means 95 by 2 into pi by 180. So minus 95 by 2 into pi by 180 degrees, which is equal to 5 ones, 5 fours, 2 sevens, so equal to minus 7 pi by 36 radians. Now, third problem is we have 240 degrees. Same. Pi radians equal to 180 degrees. Pi radians equal to 180 degrees we are having. Then 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. So it's equal to, we are having 240 into pi by 180 radians. 6 fours, 6 threes, so equal to 4 pi by 3 radians. Fourth problem, 520 degrees we are having here. 520 degrees equal to 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. So 520 degrees means multiply by 520 here. So 520 into pi by 180 radians. 2 twos, 2 6, 2 nines, so equal to 26 pi by 9 radians. Second problem, find the degree measures corresponding to the following radian measures. In the previous problem, we came to know how to write from radian measure to degree measure. Now we should write the degree measure now, corresponding to the following radian measure. First problem is given that 11 by 16 radians is given. Now we have to write this one in degree measure. So first we should write the relation. We have pi radians equal to 180 degrees. It implies we have 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. So it implies 11 by 16 radians equal to, when you have 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. Now here we have to take 11 by 16 radians equal to 11 by 16 into 180 by pi. So equal to 11 by 16 into 180 by pi equal to 11 by 16 into 180 by 22 by 7. So equal to 11 by 16 into, it is given that the value of pi equal to 22 by 7. We know that value of pi equal to 22 by 7. So 11 by 16 into 180 by 7 we are having. So here we are having 11 twos, 2 nines, here second table 2 eights, so that we are having 45 into 7. 45 into 7 means, which is equal to 315 by 8 degrees. Now here we have to divide 315 by 8 now. So 315 if you divide by 8, we have 8 3s 24. So 8 9s 72. So here we are having the remainder is 3. So that we can write this one equal to 315 by 8 degrees can be written as 39 3 by 8 degrees. Now this can be written as 39 degrees plus 3 by 8 degrees. 39 degrees plus 3 by 8 degrees. We know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Now 3 by 8 degrees means 3 by 8 into, we have to write 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So that it's equal to 39 degrees plus 45 by 2 minutes. Now 45 by 2 can be written as 45 divided by 2, 2 to the 4. So equal to 39 degrees plus 22 1 by 2 minutes. This can be written as 45 by 2 can be written as 22 1 by 2 minutes. Now this can be written as 39 degrees plus 22 minutes plus 1 by 2 minutes. We know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So here 1 by 2 minutes equal to 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. So that it's equal to 39 degrees plus 22 minutes plus 1 by 2 into 60 seconds. So equal to 39 degrees plus 22 minutes plus 30 seconds. So that the answer is 39 degrees, 22 minutes, 30 seconds. This is the answer. Second problem, we are having a minus 4 radians. So take minus 4 radians, we have pi radians equal to 180 degrees. It implies we have 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degrees. So that minus 4 radians equal to minus 4 into 180 by pi degrees. So that it's equal to, we are having minus 4 into 180 by pi means 22 by 7. Then it becomes minus 4 into 180 into 7 by 22. Now this will be equal to 2 2s, 2 11s, equal to minus 14 into 180 So when you multiply 180 and 14, we are getting minus 2520 by 11. So now we have to divide. So here we are getting in degrees, but it should not be a fraction. We have to convert this one into minutes and seconds. So here we have to divide now. 2520 divide by 11. 11 2s 22. 11 2s 22. 11 9s 99. So remainder is 1. So this can be written as 2520 by 11 degrees can be written as 229 minus 229 1 by 11 degrees. This can be written as minus 229 1 by 11 degrees. So that it's equal to minus of, this can be written as 229 degrees plus 1 by 11 degrees equal to minus 229 degrees plus, we know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Since 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, 1 by 11 degrees equal to 1 by 11 into 60 minutes. So that we should write it as 1 by 11 into 60 minutes equal to minus of 229 degrees plus 60 by 11. Divide 60 by 11. When you divide 60 by 11, 11 5 is 55. So remainder 5. So here we can take it as 60 by 11 minutes equal to 5 5 by 11 minutes. 5 5 by 11 minutes equal to minus of 229 degrees plus 5 minutes plus 5 by 11 minutes equal to minus of 229 degrees plus 5 minutes plus, we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So that it's equal to now 5 by 11 minutes equal to 5 by 11 into 60 seconds. It implies we take it as minus of 229 degrees plus 5 minutes plus 5 into 60, 300 by 11 seconds. So here 300 by 11 means it will be approximately 11 to 22. Then we are having 80. 229 degrees plus 5 minutes plus 11 to 22. Next 11 sevens, 77. Therefore, the final answer is minus 229 degrees, 5 minutes, 27 seconds. This is the answer. So, the final answer is this one. Third problem. We have 5 pi by 3 radians, which is equal to 5 by 3 into, we have pi radians equal to 180 degrees. Since pi radians equal to 180 degrees, we have to take here in the place of pi radians 180 degrees equal to 60. So 5 into 60, 300 degrees. So 5 pi by 3 radians is always equal to 300 degrees. Now we have 7 pi by 6 radians. 7 pi by 6 radians equal to 7 by 6 into, since pi radians equal to 180 degrees, we have to take here pi radians equal to 180 degrees. 630, so equal to 210 degrees. So 7 pi by 6 radians is always equal to 210 degrees. This is the way we should convert the degree measure from the radian measure. Next problem. Convert 6 radians into degree measure. Here it's given that 6 radians. Now here we have to write 6 radians into degree measure. We know that pi radians equal to 180 degrees. So 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degrees. So here 6 radians means we have to take 6 into 180 by pi degrees. 6 into 180 by pi degrees, so equal to 6 into 180 by 22 by 7, so equal to 6 into 180 into 7 by 22. Now 2 3s, 2 11s, so equal to 3 7s, 21 into 180 by 11 we are having. So equal to, now you multiply 180 by 21. We are getting 3780. So that it's equal to 3780 by 11. Now 3780 by 11 degrees we are having here. Now here we have to write this one in minutes and seconds. So equal to, now divide 3780 by 11. 11 3s 33. 11 4s 44. So here we are getting this one equal to 343 7 by 11 degrees. Three 43 7 by 11 degrees, which is equal to 343 degrees plus 7 by 11 degrees equal to 343 degrees plus, we know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. So here we have to take 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Then it becomes 7 by 11 degrees into 60 minutes. So equal to 343 degrees plus 7 into 6, 60 equal to 420 by 11 minutes we are having. Now we have to divide 420 by 11 now. So when we divide it, we get 420 by 11, 11 3 is 33. Three 43 degrees plus 38, 2 by 11 minutes we have. So equal to 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 minutes. Now here we should write the minutes into seconds now. We know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So it's equal to 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 into 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 2 by 11 minutes equal to 2 by 11 into 60 minutes. So equal to 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 120 by 11. 120 by 11. So 11 ones. Approximately it is 11 seconds. So which is equal to, the final answer is 343 degrees, 38 minutes, 11 seconds. This is the answer. Convert 40 degrees 20 minutes into radian measure. Now here it's given that 40 degrees 20 minutes. We have to take everything in degrees here. We know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Then what about 1 minute now? So 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degrees. 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degrees. So 20 minutes means 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degrees. What about 20 minutes? 20 into 1 by 60 degrees equal to 1 by 3 degrees. So 20 minutes means 1 by 3 degrees. So equal to, we should take it as 40 degrees plus 20 minutes. So 40 degrees plus 20 minutes means 1 by 3 degrees. 1 by 3 degrees. So equal to 41 by 3 degrees. Now this can be taken as 40 plus 1 by 3 means 120 plus 1. 121 by 3 degrees. Now here we should write degrees into radian measure now. We know that pi radians equal to, we have pi radians equal to 180 degrees. Here we have pi radians equal to 180 degrees. Now here we should write degrees into radians. So here we have to take 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. So it implies 121 by 3 degrees equal to 40 degrees 20 minutes equal to, we have 121 by 3 degrees which is equal to 121 by 3 into 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. 121 by 3 degrees equal to 121 by 3 into pi by 180 radians. So equal to 121 pi by 540 radians. Therefore, this is the answer.